Leaders who coach don't coach all the time. They kind of have a situational style of leadership, which means that they adapt their behavior and the way that they speak according to the context and according to the needs of the person they're talking to. And when it comes to coaching, they're also situational. They choose the situations that are the most appropriate for coaching and where coaching will really be useful. So for example, if you're a leader who coaches and there's an emergency in your office, you won't be coaching. You'll be giving directions, you'll be giving instructions. And the same if there's only one course of action, that there's no need for exploration. In that case, you'll just give the instruction or the direction. Also, another situation where you might not be coaching is if your technical expertise is required. In that situation, you will deliver your technical expertise. You'll give that advice that is expected from you. Another situation where you might not be coaching is when somebody needs to learn something new. You have a new staff member who needs to understand a process or understand a tool or a policy of your company. In that case, you will be teaching them. You will, however, use coaching when you want to invite new perspectives, when you want a person to come up maybe with their own solution. In that case, you'll wear your coaching hat and you'll ask open-ended questions and help them explore the topic a little bit. You'll also use coaching techniques when you want to facilitate learning or when you want a person to explore the best options to make a decision or to make a choice. Those are situations in which you won't give them the tips, but you'll help them as a leader who coaches to think things out by themselves. This, of course, encourages autonomy and empowers the people that you're talking to as a leader who coaches. So a leader who coaches chooses the right moment to coach.